Yeah, this 12-volt portable power box with emergency lighting is definitely lightweight with that Dakota lithium battery in there. Let me show you. It's got the wig-wagger done. That's solid right there. Oh no, there's an emergency. Show you some of the details here. Turn this off. Right here is that new switch outlet. You can turn the voltage on and off, which also turns that on and off. Real cigarette lighter and socket. 12-volt power port. 12-volt access here. SAE 2-pin for charging there. Look inside, I'll show you the guts. Got this all situated pretty good. One fuse, dual bus. Some crimp wire nuts in there. Tie strapped everything together, all nice and purdy like. And there you have it. Good to go, 100% functional. Bring on the emergencies.